Yeah, I know. Hello everyone. Look at my dahon ng sili. Ayan. Kinuha ko doon sa aking garden. Maliit pa kasi yung aking puno ng sili kaya ang liit lang ng konti lang yung aking nakuha. Panglasa lang natin. Ayan, para sa ating tinola. Yung iba kasi dito guys, ang iba po kasi dito ang ginagawa nila, ang nilalagay nila sa tinola nila, spinach, ayan, sayote. Pero sa mga Asian store, merong frozen na dahon ng sili. Kaya lang, pag inano mo na siya, defrost mo na, parang ano na siya, durug-durug na. Kaya, mas maganda pa rin talaga yung fresh. Ayan, from our garden po. Ay, pasensya na po, walang patawad. Panlasa lang natin. Isusok muna po natin siya sa baking soda kasi, ayan, para matanggal yung mga, alam mo na yung mga, ano dyan, soil na nakadikit. Pwede rin salt. Pwede nyo rin siyang ibabad sa salt. Babad lang natin siya ng few minutes. Ayan. Tapos, andawan natin siya ulit bago natin siya ilalagay sa ating tinola. At least, di ba, meron tayong panlasa sa ating tinola. Okay, ito na yung ating tinola. Yes.
Tinola?
Yummy.
Say wow if I like it.
Okay.
It's not your choice.
Okay.
Tinola? I think it's tinola.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yum.
Hi guys. This is called a poppet. And you know what it does? And there's something cool I need to tell you. In pre-K, I was one of the kids that knew how to read. Or I was the only one. And my teacher said, do you want to see something cool? And I think they said yes, including me. And then I had to read. And I didn't know that I was going to read. And I was the one performing. I was going to say it too, but I was the one who performing. I was reading. I just read like a few sentences, one sentence and half a sentence or something, and yeah. And I think my teacher said, cool, right? You want to learn how to cook seasoned rice with Spam, then okay. So first thing, make lines like this. Pretend this is one whole piece. So make lines. And pretend I finished. And then do this, make another line. And then it will make a cube.
In short, make it in cube.
It should be stuff like this. Or this.
Cubes.
But not too long. Split. You know how I just do this? Because it's already split. I cut it. Okay. Ooh, no.
Oh no. Did you turn on your flame?
Why did I forget? Turn it to 7 or one more than that.
And he already have oil on that one.
Americans do this to make it fast. That's a tip.
That's Johan's blue rice.
Do not touch this part and don't let this part get near you. oops, and do not touch this.
That's very
In the middle of cooking.
So,
Or in the beginning or after. Yes, and then you need this. And we just do this. Why don't we just use, never mind, that's for baking. And then next, and if you're making sausage, you make just like, you cut the sausage and then do the same thing. Wait.
yeah, I'm just gonna bring it
That's
here.
for the
I'm just gonna
rice.
put it here close to you.
Boing, boing. And you just stir it. Boing, boing, boing.
Make it until brown. If it's brown, so you can...
Brown? No,
Yeah, slightly brown.
No. If it's like slightly pink or slightly, like, kind of like a slight mix of pink and red.
Okay.
A slightly mix of pink and red.
You don't like brown? Oh, okay.
Will that make me fall asleep? Can I try?
You what?
You try.
You can go concentrate.
Okay. Doing, doing. It's good to have fun while you're cooking.
Yeah. Oh, your handsome daddy is there. Sabi niya, hi tatay. Tatay minsan ang tawag. Hi dad.
Hey, don't just leave them like
Nagluluto siya ng
that.
kanyang blue rice, dad. Yeah.
Okay.
Eh, kasi
This is
kanina
my
dad, wala siya
poppet.
magawa, dad. Kaya
Okay, this
sabi
one,
niya,
doing
go
this.
for siya ng hammock.
So-
Nagbasa siya dyan.
Hand exercising.
Oh my goodness. Cooking while doing that?
Die.
Seriously?
Hi.
Palabasin mo na yung iyong palangga. O, namimiss ka na niya. Lapit ka. Lapit ka, dad. Masyado siyang manipis, kaya sinano ko siya, sinapinan ko pa rin. Kasi masyadong manipis. Pero lalagyan ko pa yun yung isa. Lagyan ko muna kasi baka palalabasin mo na eh. Ay, ano ba naman tong anak ko na ito? Nagluluto. Ikaw ganyan. You can put the rice now.
And then you do this, and then you mash it. This.
Enough.
No, I need. Oh, it's like. Flying.
Tawag niya di sa blue
No
fried rice,
flying,
blue
touching
rice.
this rice. Mom, are you
What did you say?
AC, assistant chef?
I am your assistant chef.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, may pa-isi-isi pa ito. I thought it was aircon. Marunong na ito talaga itong anak ko na ito. Ayan.
And now time.
Okay guys, nagluto naman na siya nito, kaya lang dapat lagi ako nasa dito.
Don't
kapag
touch the
nagluluto siya.
spam.
Kasi
Don't touch the
bawal dito
spam.
kapag may nangyari sa kanya.
Rip. How about
Pinabayaan mo
this?
siya, si-question ka. That's enough. That's enough palangga. Oh my gosh. Ito yung nilagay niya guys na seasoning. Tapos konting salt. Just a little bit of salt. Not too much. Ayan. Very good. Because your spam is salty already. So, it will become too salty.
Yeah.
Now, come on. Do you want me to stir it for you?
No thanks.
Okay.
And then mash the part that has the soy sauce, so the soy sauce can kind of spread.
Spread it out. Spread it out. I think we have to lower down the flame because it's too
How is
hot
it?
already.
And then you can put ground white pepper.
Yeah, but not too much. Not too much. Okay, that's enough. Put a little bit more. Oh, that's enough.
Soy sauce helps it like not turn into garlic like things. If you didn't put garlic and you put, if you didn't put soy sauce and you put ground white pepper and what's that called again? Salt, then it was ready slightly turn into garlic or like shape.
That's it. Yeah, his dough rice is ready.
So easy.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
Daddy, look dito.
I made it with my AC.
What AC?
Assistant chef.
Me. That tastes really
She's
good.
your assistant chef?
Yeah, Dad.
Taste
Let
it.
me taste it.
That is a tester. Tester.
No, I'm taste tester.
So how is it?
Chief chef.
Not much.
You are the chief chef.
Not really good.
No, for me it's really good.
Another bite.
Oh.
Yes, yes, just thinking.
I think I didn't put.
Dad,
I think I didn't. Mom.
Not bad.
what is it? How is it, Dad?
Not bad.
Hot, not bad. It's good, right?
Yep.